Once you start to grill your fish at home like this, there is no stopping. So good, and you get to save some money compared to when you buy. The blend of peppers I used are red and green bell peppers, cayenne, red scotch bonnet, and garlic. I will give these a rough blend with my powerful rock power blender, of course. I have a little quantity of oil heated up in a pan, and to that I'm going to add lots of sliced onions. I'll fry that until it turns translucent. Then I'll follow with the pepper mix and season lightly with stock cube and salt. Fry this until it looks like this. To the clean fish, which I already made incisions on, I'll pat dry, then rub with this seasoning I made using parsley, rosemary, stock cube, and salt. I allowed this to sit for about 1 hour before stuffing with the fried pepper mix. Now I'll cover individually with foil and grill for 20 minutes. After 20, I brought it out to collect a few sprinkles of yaji and the rest of the pepper mix. This time I'll leave it open and return to the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. And that's all there is to grilling your own delicious fish at home. I hope you try this. Thank you for watching. Follow for more recipes.